In this video, I'll walk you through the best practices for using the Transcript API with Claude and share some advanced tips that will help you get cleaner results and work more efficiently. Claude can compare multiple videos, and this could come in handy if you're trying to learn something new. For example, I want to learn photography. Since I'm a beginner, some beginner tips would be nice, but which video should I watch first? Here, I took the top 3 videos that popped up on YouTube and asked Claude to compare all 3 and to give me advice on who was giving the clearest explanation of them all. He did exactly what I asked for. We can also paste 5 to 10 videos from a playlist and create a study guide that combines all the key concepts. You love space? Just copy and paste the links from the playlist and you should be good to go. You can ask Claude to create comparison tables or identify contradictions across sources, and that's amazing when it comes to news. You simply paste multiple different source materials and ask Claude to give you different perspectives on the same topic, and this is something you're going to get afterwards. There are many things you can do with the Transcript API and Claude, so I, Professor T, advise you to check it yourself. You can find the whole guide on our website under the Docs section, but I'll make sure to add some of the prompts I used in the description of this video. Now, we're going to go over some of the advanced tips. Batch processing. Claude is very useful and efficient when it comes to processing multiple videos. So instead of processing every video one by one, abuse its efficiency and paste everything at once. Focused questions. Claude will respond better if you use focused questions. Instead of writing, "Explain this research video," you could say, "Explain this research video as if I am a college freshman." Focus on the research question, the method, the key findings, and what limitations the authors admit. This will give you a better outcome. Output formats. Instead of just asking a question, you also say how you want the answer to look. For example, writing, "Explain the difference between these 2 videos" is vague. A better way to structure this prompt is by writing, "Explain the differences between these 2 videos" in a 2-column comparison table, and you'll get your desired format. Long videos. If you ask, "Summarize the whole video," you'll get something broad and not very helpful. Instead, it's better to ask something like, "Can you explain the speaker's main point about education reform and how they support it?" This helps the assistant focus on exactly what you care about. If you need help connecting the Transcript API with Claude, click this video right here.